Hello children, today we are going to discuss 2024-2025 O-Level Maths paper, question number 2. An incomplete table showing the y values corresponding to several x values of a quadratic function of the form y equal f of x within the interval minus 2 to plus 4. The function fx is given within the interval minus 2 to plus 4 is given below. The table consists of x values and y values. One y value is missing. So first part, by considering the symmetry of the quadratic function, find the value of y when x is equals to 2. We have to find the value of y when x is equals to 2. So here you can go through minus 5 first value, last value also minus 5. Next value is 0. Here the previous value is 0. So the next value is 3. So the next value also equal corresponding value. So the value must be 3 for the blank cage. So we have to write first part. The answer is 3, or you can write y equal 3. Second one, using the standard system of x's and a suitable scale, draw the graph of the function, quadratic function of the given graph paper according to the table given above. That means we have to draw using x-axis and y-axis. Suitable standard system of drawing the graph is, you have to draw the graph using the standard system. How to use that standard system is, x value and y values are, you have to take 1 unit along x-axis and 1 unit along y-axis you have to draw. So I have already drawn for you the graph. So just go through this graph paper, and the graph, you know how to plot the graph already. So the corresponding values are here. I have marked minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0 plus 3, and 1 plus 4, and 2 plus 3, 3 and a 0, 4 and minus 5. So these are the point. You have to draw the curve. You will get marks for the shape of the curve. Okay, that is already done. This is a parabola with a maximum value that is given. Second part is in the graph paper. Third part. So this is the answer for the second part that is on the graph paper. Third part, A part is there. Third question is separated. Third part is separated into two another parts. A, write the coordinates of the 2 points of the intersection of the graph and the x-axis. Intersection of the graph and the x-axis. You have to write 2 points. Here the graph and the x value intersect. That is minus 1. And also other graph and the x-axis. So here this is minus 1 value, other value is plus 3. So they are asking you to write the coordinates of this intersection value. So coordinates are minus 1 comma y value is 0, that is one coordinate, and the other coordinate is plus 3 comma 0. These are the two coordinates. B part in that question is, by considering the coordinates of 2 points mentioned in the above part, write the given quadratic function in the form y equal minus x plus p. This value minus x plus p, you have to write the coordinates in this format. How to write the coordinates in this format. So how to write the above value is, we choose this value, 2 value, when y is equals to 0. The values are, when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 1 value is minus 1, and or you can write x is equals to plus 3. So minus 1 taking to other side is plus 1, x plus 1 is equals to 0, plus 3 taking to the side is minus 3, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Both groups are equals to 0. So we can write x plus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0. instead of 0, we took when y is equals to 0. So instead of 0, we can write y. So y is equals to, this parabola is a parabola with a maximum. So we have to put a minus in front. X plus 1, one group. Other group is x minus 3. That is the equation. Without working out this method, by considering these values, you can write only the equation also. You can write only the equation. So fourth part, let us take that the line y equal 1 intersect the graph at the points A and B. Y equal 1, y-axis 1, the graph intersect at 2 points. So I have to draw the line y equal 1. You have to draw with a straight line because y equal 1 is given. So here at points A and B, this point is known as A and this point we have to mark as B. So that is a straight line. And the A part is there in that one, A part. Write the interval of values of x on which y is greater than 1. Y is greater than 1. Interval, you have to use the crocodile mouth, or we are calling it as inequality symbol, or we can write in shortened method crocodile mouth. So these are the values. Here it took minus 0.7, minus 0.7, x lie in between crocodile mouth or inequality symbol x, and the symbol finished at, that is 2.7. 2.7. These are the two values, minus 0.7 and 2.7. These are the two values or range. Now the last part, B part, in that is obtain the length of AB to the nearest first decimal place. Here we have to obtain the length of AB to the nearest first decimal place. So length of AB, this line, you have to write in the first decimal place. So here to here, the value is, the length of the value is 0.7 and this part is 2.7. So the total length, we have to add these two. So here to here is 0.7, 0.7. This value is 2.7. So the length of AB equal 0.7 plus 2.7. So if you add these two, that will take 3.4. The length of AB as 3.4 to the first decimal place. So we have to write only the first decimal, 3.4. Okay, thank you.